Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Part A. At x equals 6, the graph shows f prime of 6 equals 0. Meaning the derivative does not change sign at this point. Therefore, f has neither a relative minimum nor a relative maximum at x equals 6. Part B. Its derivative, f prime, is decreasing, observing that provided graph, f prime decreases on the open intervals -2 to 0 and 4 to 6. Part C. X squared minus 5x plus 6 results in an indeterminate form 0 over 0, since 6f of 2 minus 6 equals 0, and 4 minus 10 plus 6 equals 0. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.